Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we are going to configure GM related list grid. Go to an account and edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Add a new tab and rename it as Opportunities. Go to the Component Explorer and search for GM. Scroll down and find GM Related List Grid. Drag and drop the component into the new tab. Set the label as Opportunities. Set the row limit 100 for example. Set the page size to 50. We can also customize the label if we want, but let's keep it blank for now. Set the icon and use Opportunity instead of Contact. Set the grid height to 480. Scroll down. Check Show Border and Show Column Border. Check Show Record Details. We are all set. Let's save this and see what we got here. Our grid is working perfectly. We got the first 50 records. We can see the record details by expanding the row. Thank you for watching.